Bird&Cronin introduces the Sprint Air Ankle Walker. The Sprint Air Ankle Walker features attached dual air bladders on each side that can be used to apply bilateral compression to an injured ankle. Air caps are used to release air from the bilateral air bladders. The extended liner adds additional comfort. The removable toe guard has 3 adjustments to accommodate different size feet. The anterior panel provides additional support and stabilization for the ankle. 3 adjustable straps provide for easy application. The boot sole is non-skid. Its textured tread provides maximum shock absorption. The low-profile rocker bottom provides a natural gait.